हाँ.
Transfer and function means if we transfer, function is representation of something, that is function, mathematical form of anything. The function means mathematical form. And transfer means we have to transfer something. We will be having two things. So like we have a network, we give some input, and on the basis of network we get some output. So the ratio of output to input is transfer function. So anything that will represent the ratio of output to input will be known as transfer function. And some properties of transfer function is it is represented in S domain. We consider no initial conditions. We will assume that the circuit is at rest, and then we will be finding the transfer function. So the transfer function, or sometime also known as network function, बाद में class. So transfer function of network function. So we can have voltage or we can have current at both side, at input side, at output side. Input side we can have voltage or we can have current, and output side we can have current and voltage also. So now the ratio of these quantities will be known as transfer function. So transfer function can be voltage transfer function. That means we are talking about both the voltages. So generally it is referred as G12S. One and two we will be writing one as the input side and two at the output side. So voltage at input side is known as V1, current at output side is I1, and current at output side is I2 and voltage is V2. So G is known as voltage transfer function. 1, 2 indicates it is V1 by V2. And it can be G21. Then it will be V2 by V1. So voltage transfer function is the ratio of voltage from one side to another side. With it can be G12 or Z21. It indicates first elements and second element. Similarly, it can be current transfer function that is reflected by alpha. So alpha 1 to S is I1S upon I2S. And similarly, alpha 21S will be I2S upon I1S. These are also known as voltage gain and current gain. So these are if we are talking about both side voltage and both side current. Now we can have one side voltage and one side current. So we have transfer impedance. So transfer impedance will be Z12 S. It will be V1S upon I2S. And Z21S will be V2S upon I1S. So 2-1 means first quantity is second and second quantity is at 1. So it will be V2S upon I1S. And similarly, we can have transfer admittance. It will be Y12S. Y12S means I1S upon V2S, and Y21S will be I2S upon V1. So, I2S upon V1S. That will be Y21S. That all are known as transfer admittance. So we can have 4 terms: G, alpha, Z, and Y. G will be ratio of voltage to voltage. Alpha is ratio of current to current. Z is ratio of voltage to current, and Y is ratio of current to voltage. Now depending on 1, 2, so then if we are talking about 1, 2, then it is V1 upon V2, I1 upon I2, V1 upon I2, and I1 upon V2. Similarly, if we are talking about 2, 1, thing will remain same: V by V, I by I, V by I, and I by V. Thing is, it will become 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So these are known as transfer function of the system. Generally, अभी तक आपने जो पढ़ा था, that is we have V1 and we have I1, and you studied Z1. That is V1 upon I1, and Y1 equal to I1 upon V1. And in this case, you don't have transfer function because you don't have second terminal. So you don't have voltage ratio and current ratio when you are talking about this. But when we are talking about that, then it will be, in this case, this is known as driving point functions. If we are talking about transfer function, it is quantity of one side to quantity of other side. And when we talk about driving point functions, we are talking about quantity of one side to quantity of same side. So transfer function will be G12 or G21, alpha 12 or alpha 21, Z12 or Z21, and Y12 and Y21. These all are transfer function. And if we are talking about same quantities, same terminals, then it will be Z11, Z22, Y11 and Y22. So Z11 will be V1 upon I1, Z22 will be V2 upon I2, Y11 will be I1 upon V1, and Y22 will be I2 upon V2. These are your driving point functions. All these things you must remember two conditions. First is it is in S domain, and second is no initial condition. Then you can define what is the function, because if there is function or initial condition, then you cannot find what is the ratio.
सर ड्राइविंग पॉइंट फंक्शन में जी और अल्फा नहीं आएंगे क्या?
जी और अल्फा कैसे आएंगे? एक ही पोर्ट पे दो वोल्टेज कैसे हो सकते हैं?
हाँ वो तो है सर, जैसे आपने इसमें Z और Y लिखा है ना दोनों।
Z और Y तो क्योंकि क्या है, आपके पास ये है, यू हैव दिस एंड यू हैव दिस, दिस इज V1 I1, V2 I2. अगर हम इसी तरफ की बात कर रहे, then it is driving point. If we are talking about this, then also driving point. But when we are talking about this and this, one of this side and one of this side, then it is transfer function. So because in transfer function we can have two voltages and two currents, but in driving point we cannot have V1 2 और V2 2. दो क्वांटिटी नहीं हो सकती V1 की, नो क्वांटिटीज V2 की. तो इसलिए ड्राइविंग पॉइंट में वोल्टेज रेशियो और करंट रेशियो नहीं होता. क्लियर?
ओके सर.
So now we have this network function or transfer function as ratio of two quantities. I write this as AS upon BS. So this will be a polynomial of S. It can be an s की power n plus an minus 1 s की power n minus 1 plus a1s plus a naught divided by bm s की power m plus bm minus 1 s की power m minus 1 plus so on b1s plus b naught. So because they will be a polynomial of S domain, and because we are initially saying that there will be no initial condition, that's why that will be a polynomial of S domain. If there is initial condition, we cannot find what is the ratio of A or A by B. So we can find roots of AS and we can find roots of BS. A will be having n roots and B will be having m roots. So we will be writing it as, there will be something constant K, S minus Z1, S minus Z2 up to S minus Zn divided by ये R1 R2 Rn लिख लो, S minus R1 B, S minus R1 R2 B up to S minus R M B, और इसको A लिख लो सिंपलिसिटी। तो हमने ये माना कि AS has roots as R1A, R2A up to Rna, and BS has roots R1B, R2B up to RMB. Now when we put S equal to any root of AS, then your TS will become 0. That's why the roots of AS are known as zeros. And when we put S equal to any root of BS, then your TS will become infinity. क्योंकि अगर AS का कोई रूट रखते हैं तो ऊपर वाली टर्म 0 हो जाएगी, तो that will become 0. And when we talk about lower part, तो lower का अगर कोई रूट रखते हैं तो it will become 0 on lower side, so it will become k upon 0, that means infinity. So that's why they are known as poles. Zeros वो क्वांटिटी, वो रूट्स जिससे ट्रांसफर फंक्शन और ड्राइविंग पॉइंट फंक्शन will become 0 are known as zeros, and poles when the transfer function or driving point function will become infinity, then they are known as poles. So the roots of numerator polynomial makes ns equal to 0 and known as zeros, and the roots of denominator polynomial makes ns equal to infinity and known as poles. And the poles and 0 completely specifies the behavior of the system. And the poles and 0 will completely specify the behavior of the system. So poles and zeros, roots of, so we have to find the roots of Zs equal to s square plus 2s plus 4 divided by s square plus 5s plus 6. So let's consider a function is given as s square plus 2s plus 4, or for simplicity I write is 3s plus 4 and s square plus 5s plus 6. So we have to find out the roots. So first we will write as equal to s square plus 3s plus 4 equal to 0, and then we will write solve. So it will become s square plus 4s minus s plus 4 equal to 0. So it will become s plus 4 So it will roots will come out to be minus 4 and 1. Similarly, for bs equal to 0, so minus 4 and 1, that will be your zeros. And bs equal to 0 means s square plus 5s minus 6 equal to 0. So it will become s plus 6s minus s minus 6 equal to 0. That means s equal to minus 6 plus 6 and minus 6 and 1. So that are known as poles. So these are how we will be writing poles and zeros of a network function. And then we will having a pole zero plot. Pole zero plot is a simple graphical representation of poles and zero. We have a axis, real axis and imaginary axis, and then we will represent poles by cross and zero by circle. Poles by cross and zero by circle. So let's consider we have a function fs equal to s minus a upon s minus b1 s minus plus b2. So for this we have 0 at plus a and poles at plus b1 and minus b2. So simply we have to represent this on this plus a. So we will having a circle at plus a. Poles at plus b1, so we will having a cross at b1 and minus b2, that means we will having a cross at minus b2. So this is pole zero plot of this graph, this function. So for pole zero, we have to first identify what is the function of the system, and then from the function we have to find out what are the zeros and what are the poles, and from that we will drawing on the graph So if it is first order or second order, then it is simply we will be write or directly find. If it is higher order system, then we have to use hit and trial method. ये तो आता होगा सबको. किसी polynomial के roots कैसे निकाले जाते हैं? Clear? Now, what is the use or what is the significance of poles और zero हमें देते क्या है? What is the significance of poles and zero? So for transfer function it is different, and for driving point function it is different. So we will writing for transfer function. If we are talking about transfer function, and if it is a voltage ratio or voltage transfer function, we will be writing as G21 equal to V2S upon V1S. That means V2S will be G21S into V1S. So if V1 and V2 are given, V1 and G21 are given, we can find V2. And V2 will be G21S into V1S. So it will be a multiplication. So it will be a polynomial, ratio of two polynomial. So it will be like AS upon BS. So we can write or partial fraction expression I equal to 1 to n Ki upon S minus Pi plus summation j equal to 1 to m Ki upon S minus Pj. We are assuming that this is the roots of poles of G21 and this is for V1.
सर कंप्लीट पेज नहीं दिख रहा.
We have AS upon BS. So we write G21. So it will be polynomial of S. तो उसके roots बना दिए. So we are assuming that they are P1, P2, P3, P4. So it will be I1 to N, that is Ki upon S minus Pi summation. आपको अगर याद हो AS upon BS का अगर हम पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन करते हैं तो क्या हो जाता है? अगर नीचे S की पावर 3 है तो it will become A1 upon S plus A1, A2 upon S plus A2 and A3 upon S plus A3. अगर पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन याद था तो on the basis of order of denominator polynomial we will be having this and we will be having this. This is expression of partial fraction. So now all the things which is dependent in this is poles, because if we take inverse Laplace, so V2t, it will become Ki e raised to power plus Pit plus Kj e raised to power Pjt, that is summation I equal to 1 to n and summation j equal to 1 to m. तो क्या हो रहा है? Poles will be deciding what is this function. So poles will decide response behavior. ये एक्सपोनेंशियल होगा, कांस्टेंट होगा, क्या होगा? इट विल बी डिसाइडेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पोल्स. एंड जीरोस क्या कर रहे हैं? जीरो से क्या डिसाइड है? ओनली द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द रूट्स. जो हमने यहाँ की a1, a2, a3 ये कौन डिसाइड कर रहा है? That will be decided on the basis of as. And s plus a1, s plus a2 and s plus a3 ये कौन डिसाइड कर रहा है? That will be decided by bs. That means poles will decide how your system will behave, and zeros are only deciding what will be the magnitude of the roots. So this will be decided on the magnitude, and poles will be deciding the behavior. So that means if the system will be, how system will response will behave, it will be only decided by poles. So how the system will behave, it will be decided by poles. So that means poles are the main quantities for the transfer function. Zeros are only deciding what will be the magnitude, how your system magnitude will change. But poles will be deciding. Like simple example अगर हम ले तो सिस्टम ऐसे बिहेव करेगा, ऐसे बिहेव करेगा, ऐसे बिहेव करेगा. इट विल बी डिसाइडेड बाय पोल्स, एंड दिस इज डिसाइडेड बाय जीरो, क्योंकि मैग्नीट्यूड इज डिसाइडेड बाय जीरोस and behavior is decided by the poles. So the poles will decide the system behavior, and that's why they are known as characteristic equations. Characteristic equation of the function. That means Bs equal to 0 is your main system behavior. That means how your system will behave, it will be decided by Bs, denominator polynomial or poles.